and welcome to Creative Moments by G. I'm Georgia and we are so happy that you've joined us today. Guess what time it is? It's paper pumpkin time. My sister and I have been going crazy with this new paper pumpkin. So let's head down to the crafting table and let us show you our creations. Okay, have you received your paper pumpkin yet? Oh my goodness. Wasn't it filled with yummies? Now you can tell on ours, basically we just have some scraps left. We absolutely loved this stamp set. Oh my goodness, wasn't it happy? It kind of reminded us of Mod Podge and that kind of era, right? So happy and festive and bright colors. Well, let's get busy and show you what we created. Let's start with this card. Look at this one. We decided to take the clouds and turn them into something completely different. Bubbles. So we used our bubbles from another kit, and I will go over all the kits that we used besides Paper Pumpkin at the very end. But look at that. We did a diagonal cut. We used their beautiful paper they included, and then we have plenty of places to write. We love our bubbles. Oh my goodness. Now look at this next one. We, of course, had to use our scraps, right? Very simple. Just cut our scraps and stamped "You're amazing," and then put some bright colors for the inside. You are amazing. There we go. Now we did a little different style on this one. We took their note card that came with the kit, we punched it out, and we punched another circle so that we could have the outer ring. You open it up, hey, more bubbles. And then, thanks, you made my day. We think that one turned out so cute, so we made the rest of our note cards just like that. We're going to give those as a gift. Another style that we came up with, now look at this one. We actually created our own background simply using some score lines. Can you see that? We just made some scores, used our stamp, used their paper, and there you have this beautiful set. And just stamped "You're amazing" on the inside. We really like creating our own background. Now here's a fun card we did. Hey, we created a little box, split it crosshairs in the middle, and just folded it back and said, hey, put a mat on the inside so that you could write a message. Have a simple card. And then of course you can always just do a background with hey, right? We did two of those. We did one on white paper, and then we used a darker color and just did hey as our background. We thought that was really cute too. Now here's another one that we did, and we created our own background once again using our score lines. Put "You're amazing," but this one's portrait, and then use those cute little stars for the inside. So much to do, right? So many cards to make. Now, we did have to borrow the little note card to make this cute little card. Isn't that cute? We used the string that came with the kit. You're amazing. Here's the paper. And then you can write on the inside. Oh my goodness, so much fun. Now look at this card. We dry embossed the bottom of it. Then we covered the top part with some of their paper. Cut out some cute little daisies, right? And then just matted the inside. Isn't that pretty? We love this embossing folder. Okay, now look at this one. We used our clouds and we said, hey, used a little note card. This one, oh my goodness, we used some scraps. We stamped hey, made a little daisy, put "You're amazing" on the inside. And look at this one. Here's a diagonal card that we just stamped. Hey, use their paper. You can have a nice space to write your message. And here is a fun fold. Look at this. Hey, isn't that cute? We used our Nuvo drops just to go over the hey. We thought that one turned out really nice. Just keeps going. Look at this one. We did a buckle card. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And we dry embossed this side. What do you think about that one? Okay, now we stepped out a little bit and we pulled in some other stamp sets. And so we used this one. We used their paper. We embossed thanks. And we made this card. We also used a different stamp set but made some banners from their paper. And then created this one. What do you think? Now, look at this one. Yes, we used flowers from another set. But we used their paper. Isn't that one lovely? That fun fold? Now, on this one, we used their paper. We used Happy Day, brought in a different paper, and put You're Amazing. And finally, we used the flowers from a different set, but we used their stamp set, You're Amazing. Well, I think my favorite might be this buckle card because you know I love buckle cards. Okay, let's look at the other stamp sets that we brought in. We used Beauty Abounds because we used the bubbles, right? We also brought in Bloom and Grow, and we used these beautiful flowers. We used the hello and thank you from the bottom of my heart. So pretty, that sentiment. We also went and we picked up our Ornate Style bundle. We used this flower, and we also used some of the wording from the Ornate bundle. What do you think? Do you like our designs? We hope you enjoyed this video. We sure would love a thumbs up. And hey, remember, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to ring the bell so that you're notified when we have our next video. Well, go out and have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, be creative in your crafting, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.